Hello everyone, in this lesson we will practice French reading with English translation. Please listen carefully to my pronunciation, and if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and click the like button so you don't miss the next lessons. Let's get started. Lucas a 29 ans. Lucas is 29 years old. Here we use the verb avoir because we are saying our age. Lucas a 29 ans, j'ai 29 ans, tu as 29 ans. So we should use the verb avoir. Il est français et il habite à Bordeaux. He is French and he lives in Bordeaux. À Bordeaux, we have the preposition à before the name of the cities, à Bordeaux. Depuis 2 ans, il travaille à l'étranger. For 2 years, he has been working abroad. I put the link of the video I made about depuis, passé composé, and l'imparfait in the description box. If you don't know how to use them, when to use them, you can find the links in the description box. Depuis 2 ans, il travaille à l'étranger. For 2 years, he has been working abroad. So we have depuis, he's still working there. Au départ, Lucas voulait améliorer son anglais. At first, Lucas wanted to improve his English. So we have the past tense l'imparfait here. Il voulait aussi découvrir un autre pays. He also wanted to discover another country. We have voulait here. Again, l'imparfait. Un autre pays, a masculine noun. Pays, so it's a masculine noun. Il a trouvé un travail au Canada dans un hôtel. He found a job in Canada in a hotel. Au Canada, in Canada, or before the Canada, because Canada is masculine in French, le Canada. A trouvé is a passé composé, the past tense. Il travaille à la réception. He works at the reception desk. La réception, feminine noun. Il parle avec les clients tous les jours. He speaks with customers every day. Here we say tous les jours, every day. Tous here is an adjective, so we don't pronounce S. But if it were a noun, we should pronounce it. When it's noun, tous, when it is an adjective, tous. Il utilise le français et l'anglais au travail. He uses French and English at work. For the languages, masculine, le français, l'anglais, le persan, le turc. Au début, la vie n'a pas été facile. At the beginning, life was not easy. La vie n'a pas été facile. The past tense, passé composé. Lucas ne comprenait pas toujours les gens. Lucas did not always understand people. We have l'imparfait in negative form. So, ne comprenait pas. Il était un peu stressé. He was a little stressed. Était, again, past tense, l'imparfait. Avec le temps, il a pris confiance. With time, he gained confidence. A pris, passé composé. Il a commencé à aimer sa nouvelle vie. He started to like his new life. We have the noun vie here. Is a feminine noun, so we need a feminine adjective, nouvelle. Il a commencé, again, past tense, passé composé. Aujourd'hui, today, Lucas est content de sa situation. Lucas is happy with his situation. Here, because Lucas is a man, so we should say content, because we need a masculine adjective. Content, but instead of Lucas, it were, for example, Sophie, we should say Sophie est contente. So the adjective always agrees with the noun. Today, Lucas is happy with his situation. Again, situation, situation, feminine noun. Il travaille. Il y gagne de l'argent et il apprend beaucoup. He works, he earns money, and he learns a lot. Here we have present tense. Travaille, gagne, and apprend. Pendant son temps libre, il visite la ville. During his free time, he visits the city. La ville is a feminine noun, so we should say la ville. It's very, very important. You should memorize all the feminine and masculine nouns in French. Pour Lucas, travailler à l'étranger est une bonne expérience. For Lucas, working abroad is a good experience. Une bonne expérience. Again, experience, a feminine noun, so we should use une bonne expérience. Cela lui permet de découvrir le monde autrement. It allows him to discover the world in a different way. Autrement, in a different way. Le monde, the world, masculine noun. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with someone who is learning French. Have a wonderful day. Ciao.